I want to discuss the steps in moving your IBM I to the cloud and the top 6 questions to ask your business partner before considering IBM I in the cloud. So the first question that you really need to ask your business partner is, are you paying for the resources that you need today? Or are you paying for resources that you might need tomorrow? It's all about scalability. You need to make sure that your cloud server is sized appropriately to give you the maximum performance that you need today without overpaying resources that you don't need today. The second question to ask your business partner is, who's going to maintain the environment? Who pays for the maintenance, hardware and software? Who's responsible for the maintenance renewal? And who is making sure it is renewed? The last thing you need is to find that you have a problem and you're not covered by hardware or software maintenance. The third question to ask your business partner is, can I scale my environment up and down on demand? It's really important because your business needs may change. It could be month end, it could be quarter end process. You may have taken on a new business, but it's important to know that you can scale up and down and your costs are going up and down accordingly. Can that happen in your environment? The fourth question that you want to be asking your business partner is, what is included in my subscription? Does it include migration, both at the beginning of the migration to the cloud and subsequent releases of hardware? Power 9 is out today. Power 10's coming. Who pays for the migration at that point in time? Replication costs. What is my recovery point objective? What is my recovery time objective? How is that going to work in the cloud? And what technology are we going to be using? The important thing to note here is, what's the total cost of ownership? Because there are different types of replication. What replication technologies are you going to be using for my business? Does it suit my needs around the RPO and RTO that we mentioned before? There are license costs. Can I have multiple unlimited users in my IBM I environment, or am I going to pay for each individual user? If so, what's the total cost? Who pays for the upgrades? System versions change. Who pays for migrating to the latest version of the operating system? Who pays for the PTFs, the technology refreshes? Who's going to advise me when these are available? These are critical in today's environment. As we know, there are threats everywhere. Security, it's a big issue. You need to be talking to your business partner about security. What are they doing to keep your IBM I environment secure and protected from outside vulnerabilities? Question 5. What is the uptime service level agreement that I'm going to get with my IBM I in the cloud? It's important because applications that run on IBM I typically run the business. They're critical. If it's down, this can result in financial implications and also reputational damage. Question 6. Who looks after all the security patching? We spoke before about security being a hot topic to talk about with your business partner. But who does the patching? Who does the PTS? Who's going to tell you that there's a PTF available? Or there's a vulnerability that's just been announced in your environment and you really need to get this patch applied. And another thing, when do they do it? Are they going to do this patching in the middle of the day because it's convenient to them? Or are they going to do this outside of working hours because it's convenient to you to keep your business running? Hopefully you found this video informative and educational. And if you like what you heard, please click on the link below, add your comments. If you have any questions, give me a buzz and we can talk through them.